Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize WhatsApp Business via Twilio for AI replies step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Twilio account. If you don't have an account yet, create one at twilio.com. Once logged in, navigate to the Twilio console. Select messaging from the left sidebar menu. Click on Try It Out and then select WhatsApp. Scroll down to find the section labeled Enable your WhatsApp Business account. Click on Get Started to begin the authorization process. Follow the instructions provided to request a WhatsApp business number. You will need to enter your business information, including the name and phone number. After submission, wait for approval from WhatsApp. Once you receive approval, return to the Twilio console. From the console, select WhatsApp Sandbox. Here, you can set up your sandbox environment for testing. You'll need to link your phone to the sandbox by sending a code via WhatsApp. Follow the instructions displayed in the Twilio console to do this. Next, head to the Twilio API section. You will need to generate an API key for your project. Ensure you set appropriate permissions for this API key. Once you've generated your API key, keep it in a secure location. Next, you will set up a webhook URL for incoming messages. In the Twilio console, navigate to your WhatsApp number settings. Find the section labeled Webhook and enter your endpoint URL. This URL will handle incoming messages from WhatsApp. Ensure your server is configured to receive HTTP post requests. Test the webhook to ensure it's working correctly. Now, create an AI reply setup using a framework or library like Dialogflow or Salesforce Einstein. Integrate your AI framework with your Twilio account using the API key. Set the logic in your AI framework to respond to incoming WhatsApp messages. Finally, test the complete setup by sending a message to your WhatsApp business number. Check the responses to ensure everything is functioning as expected. Make any necessary adjustments to improve the AI reply accuracy. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.